Hello YouTube, my name is Core and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to list multi-color and multi-size variation t-shirt on eBay. So it will have 4 different colors and 4 different sizes as well. So each color will have small, medium, large, extra large sizes. So yeah, let's get into it. We're popping over to eBay, create listing again, where is it, Jack and Jones t-shirt. I'm going to put men's t-shirt, top some t-shirts. I think we're not going to put it in, nobody will search it anyway. So we'll put the large urban camo print core top size. Oh no, I think we'll have multiple sizes. T-shirt large urban camo print core top short sleeve tee. Then we'll make our main SKU here again, J and J T core camo men's. We'll copy that. And then we'll go create the variations. So now we need to add color and we need to add size. Save these two. I always put color on top and then sizes underneath. So some people do it the other way around. I kind of like to select color first and then my size. Some go with size first, and then you'll see if you have the color. Whichever you prefer. I kind of prefer the color because I don't know, I value the color over size because my size is so all over the place that's how I do it anyway. So when you list it, you choose however you prefer it. So let me just quickly check the main image, how we're gonna go with it. So we're gonna put navy first, the color. So it doesn't have the navy color in here. I'll just type it in, navy. Then we'll put red. Next one is blue, and the last one is white. Navy, red, blue, white. Then next we'll select all the sizes we have and continue. So it will automatically generate all the sizes and color variations. Then we'll find its images, main image. Don't know if you saw one of the last videos I made about how to take photos and stuff. I also showed you how to create this main image for eBay, where it shows all your colors on the first image. If you need to know how to do that, go back and watch that video, please. And so when you have multiple color and size variations, so then you just put the main where you show all these colors on the default photo. That's going to be the main listing image. And then you have to go and select color from here and put the navy t-shirts on the navy color and blues on the blues and all this. That when you select the color from the listing, it actually changes the color there. So yeah, we'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Confused. So yeah, otherwise, if you just put them all on top, they never change. So it's not very professional, I would say. Uploads a bit slowly today. Anyway, I'll just upload them all and then wait. Blue. White ones. Right, all our images now uploaded, so we'll move on to the variation details. So again, I think that was £3, so what's our price? 15 euros or £12, so we'll put it £11.95. Save it, and we'll put all the SKUs in again. So they all have barcodes as well, but I'm not going to start typing them in because it's going to take a bit of time. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible, so we'll just save it for now, and I'll come back later and put them in. Boom, righty. Come on then. Do a thinking bit. New tags, so images coming up. So Jack and Jones, here you are. T-shirt, men's short sleeve, crew material. This one is 50% cotton, 50% polyester. Features. Oh, I'll just put all seasons again. That should be regular fit t-shirts. I think I measured them already. Yeah, so regular team. I'll just put urban camo logo design print. It had like this urban camo type of like print design, this one. Then I'll just put the logo here as well. Graphic print is yes. Handmade, nope. What else? It's machine washable again. And I think that's about it. So again, I have the product description already written out, so I'll just copy that, save some time. I don't know why it's spacing it out like this. I don't like it. And, changes the font as well for some reason, but it's okay. So everything is here. Jack and Jones t-shirt. Size is small to XL, regular fit, 50/50 material, four color options, short sleeve, camo, Jack and Jones print, pocket, straight hem, and casual wear thingy. So yeah, that's it. We are done over here. Again, these t-shirts will be sent as large letters, and they are all gonna fit into this 250 gram large letter cap. So, and we're boosting again by 1%. So that's it. We're listing it, and then we'll check it out again. Come on, for some reason it's pretty slow. So we're done. So let's check out the listing. So yeah, we have our color option, all the four colors, and then sizes. So we'll just check red, it changes to red, blue, very slow today. Hello, wakey wakey, changes to blue, navy. Damn, what's going on with you? So yeah, it's working. So cool, we have all our details in. Again, plenty, just try to fill in as much as you can. And sometimes you might even have to add some details, like add your own specific details if you have some unique item. So fill in as much as possible, especially the stuff with what's required and what's required soon. So soon eBay will start requiring more details, so make sure you fill them in. Otherwise, month from now or 2 months, whenever they come in effect, eBay might end your listings if you don't have these things in. They probably will notify you to add them in, but if you just fail to do it, they might just end them at some point. And you don't want that to happen, because if you have like watches and stuff, or sales already, like these listings, they're gonna be ongoing as long as they can get stock. We don't want to lose our sales history or watch history or none of that. So yeah, fill in as much as you can. So anyway, that's how I list t-shirts and clothing as well. So I hope this is helpful to you, and yeah, I'll just wrap it up here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.